Apple's 2025 Playbook, AI Siri, iOS 19, Repair Freedom and Privacy Pressure. For more information, visit thedailytechfeed.com. Apple's 2025 headlines reveal a tech giant balancing innovation, user empowerment, and growing regulatory scrutiny. The applecard savings account has seen another interest rate cut, now down to 3.65%, mirroring broader economic trends and potentially pushing users toward alternatives. In a big win for tech ownership, Apple has expanded its self-service repair program to cover more iPad models, empowering users with genuine parts and repair guides. But privacy concerns flare up as T-Mobile's T-Life app is found to record iPhone screens by default, raising alarms over transparency and consent in app design. Meanwhile, iOS 19 is poised to transform the Apple ecosystem. The upcoming update introduces eSIM transfer between iPhone and Android, a major step toward device interoperability. Even more groundbreaking is Siri's upcoming overhaul, powered by generative AI, promising enhanced contextual understanding and responsiveness, signaling Apple's leap into advanced conversational intelligence. The acquisition of indie game studio RAC7 bolsters Apple Arcade with creative, exclusive titles, showing Apple's expanding footprint in gaming. Elsewhere, Apple faces legislative headwinds. Texas has passed new age verification laws for app stores, challenging platforms like the App Store to adapt quickly. A Qualcomm-backed study throws shade at Apple's modem performance, stirring competitive debates as Apple ramps up its custom chip ambitions. On the digital nostalgia front, a guide shows how to read vintage Mac floppies on Windows PCs using macdisk, highlighting the persistent demand for compatibility across generations of tech. From AI to regulation and repairability, Apple's 2025 strategy is one of adaptation, innovation, and increasing openness.